How to manage inventory in Squarespace. To do that, head over and click onto this products option. And in here, you can see your options right here. So click on this products right there. And then for this one, we have the products for physical, for services, for downloads, for gift cards that we have right here. So what you can do is if you want to edit out some particular options or some particular products, you can click onto this checkbox right here, and then you can head over and then export that, and you can also edit out the fulfillment profile. Now, in order to edit out the particular stock for that, you can see in here the stock. You can just click on that part. You can make it unlimited, or you can also put in here a stock number that you want. So, for example, let's put in here 30, and then it will be added right there. Now, you can also edit out this one, and as you can see, it will be added. You can also do that as well on the services, on the downloads, if you have enabled the stock right here. So that's how you manage inventory in Squarespace. Hope you help.